Dear students, now we are going to see fourth chapter Geometry. Exercise 4.1 First sum. The question is check whether which triangles are similar and find the value of k. Here two sums are given. Okay, see, consider the first sum. See the diagram. Here one triangle ABC is given and ED is on a line drawn parallel to the side CB, then the values are given. Okay, so here we have to check the two triangles ABC and AED. These two triangles are similar. Okay, for that first take triangle ADE. See this triangle ADE, okay, and triangle ABC. Then this triangle ABC. In these two triangles, okay. First, take AE by EC. This side, AE by AC. Okay, AE by AC. That is, see here. AE by EAC. AE AC. See, this AC can be written as AE plus EC. Okay, AE plus EC. Is it clear? Okay. Now substitute the values. AE here given AE is 2. So write 2 here. Then in denominator AE is 2 and AC is 3 1 by 2. Okay, so AC can be written as AE plus EC. Okay, then now substitute the value. AE is given 2 and again AE is 2, EC is 3 1 by 2. Now in denominator, see here, this is 3 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. Okay, so convert into improper one. 3 2s are 6 and add 1. So 7 by 2. Now simplify this one. Here 7 by 2 is a fractional number, 2 is a whole number. So take 2 as common. See, 2 plus 7 by 2. I am doing denominator part only. Here denominator 1. Now take 2 as LCM. That is, multiply this 1 and this number by this 2. Okay, so that is equal to 2 into 4 by 2 plus here 7 by 2. Now 2 is common, so take 2 as common. In numerator it's 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. So what you get is 11 by 2. See, that is I am writing here 2 by 4 plus 7 by 2. Okay, that is 2 by 11 by 2. Now see, this is in denominator, it is a fractional number, so convert this one, bring this one into numerator. Here division is there. While changing division into multiplication, this denominator gets reciprocal, so this 11 by 2 becomes this 2, this division becomes multiplication and this term gets reciprocal. That is 11 by 2 is 2 by 11. Okay, now you multiply 2 into 2, 4 divided by 11. Mark this as 1. Then next triangle AD by AB. Next consider the baseline. Baseline, this line. Okay, so this can be written as AD by AB. Okay, so I am written here. See, AD by DB. See this here. Then AB, this can be split into AD plus DB. AD plus DB. Now substitute the value. AD is given 3. So 3 in denominator, again AD is 3 and DB. dB is 5. So 3 in denominator, 3 plus 5 is 8. Mark this one as 2. Now check. Here we already marked 4 by 11 as 1. Then this is 2. That is the side AE by AC and AD by DB. These two are not equal. Okay. See these two are not equal. This AE by AC, AD by DB, because AE by AC is 4 by 11 and AD by DB is 3 by 8. So these two are not equal. Therefore the given triangles are not similar triangles. Okay. Now second one. See the second diagram. Another triangle is given, ABC. Then one triangle is ABC, another one is PQC. So this triangle, one triangle is ABC, clear? Another one is PQC. Okay. See, in triangle ABC, this big triangle, in triangle ABC, take angle, see this angle, PQC, this one, okay. Here angle B is given 70 degree, then this side here given 110 degree, okay. Now see, this is a straight line. BQC is a straight line. So this full angle in a straight line, full angle is 180 degree. Angle in straight line, straight angle is 180 degree. Then this part is given 110. We have to find this portion. So what you have to do? Subtract this 110. So 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree. So this angle, missing angle is 70 degree. Is it clear? See, BQC is a straight angle. So this full angle is 180. Straight line, angle in a straight line. Then this portion is given 110. You have to find this missing angle. So 180 minus 110 equal to 70. So angle PQC equal to 70 degree. Therefore angle ABC is also 70. It's already given in the question. In a diagram itself they given. Then angle C equal to angle C in both the triangles. This big triangle, angle C, and this small triangle, angle C. Both are equal because it's a common angle. C is common to this triangle and this triangle. So common angles are always equal. So angle C equal to C. So here three angles are equal. Therefore by AAA similarity, angle similarity, angle A, this angle equal to angle P. These two angles are equal. Okay, angle A equal to QPC means P. These two angles are equal. Therefore here three angles are equal. This angle equal and angle C is common to both triangles. So that also equal. These two angles are also equal. So therefore by AAA similarity, the given triangle ABC and PQC are similar triangles. Okay. Thank you.